Tara na at samahan nyo kami patungo sa summer capital of the Philippines, Baguio City. Samahan nyo kaming balikan ang mga lugar na aming napuntahan dito sa lungsod ng Baguio. Alamin natin kung anong mga pagkain na masarap kainin at mga inumin na talaga namang papainit, magpapanali at kukumpleto sa inyong pagpunta dito. Talaga namang napakasasarap ng mga pagkain dito sa lungsod ng Baguio. At yan ang dapat niyong abangan sa buong video na ito.
A few moments later.
Hello guys, so we're now here at the Xtremely Xpresso Cafe. Ayan. So we'll be having our late lunch and early dinner. So parang isahan na lang para mas tipid and para diet na rin. So galing kami kanina sa Baguio Bamboo Sanctuary. Ayan. So right now we're gonna eat, and right now umuulan dito sa Baguio. So tara, let's check what is inside Xtremely Xpresso Cafe. Xtremely Xpresso Cafe is located at number 3 Brent Road, General Luna, Baguio City, just beside the Oak and Stone, a bed and breakfast accommodation for tourists. It was incorporated in December of 2002 and established in April of 2008. The founder, Mr. Benson Fu, with extensive experience in the food service industry. He wanted to introduce the European experience to the locals of Subic, Baguio, Clark, Santa Rosa, and Ilocos. Xtremely Xpresso Cafe is an innovative concept that targets a new growing market. It was created as a casual bistro-style restaurant that serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner with a European flair. The restaurant offers an extensive menu for locals and visitors alike. A collection of moderately priced Italian fusion and American fusion, complemented with a warm, friendly welcome will satisfy that night out. You've always been promising yourself and family. pasta.
Been a long time without you. Been a long time without love. Everything reminds me of you, but everything is not enough. Feeling out by the ocean, among all those white hot sands, where every sunrise is just for you. So come along and take my hand.
Hindi nandiyan ka perfume. Kuwat kit. Kuwat kit.
Ay, nagbibidyo!
No, God! No, God, please, no! No! No!
Hindi ba hinahanap?
Ay, nagbibidyo ka pala.
Ala!
Nagbibidyo ka pala, Basty. We're gonna try their coffee. I ordered white mocha.
Free Top Adventure.
Let's see.
Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and please follow this young survivor.
A few moments later.
Hello, so we are now here in Manor. There. So we're just gonna have a quick snack for dinner here at the Manor Hotel.
Let me tour you around here at La Chef at the Manor. The Chef Restaurant at the Manor is located in Camp Jan Hay, Special Economic Zone, Luwagan Road, Baguio City, Philippines. The Manor at Camp Jan Hay will embrace you with its old world charm and elegance. Here's our order. Taste the flavors of the Mediterranean cuisine at La Chef. Every bite is an exploration. Headed by culinary master chef Billy King. This high-end restaurant has its doors open for you from 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. A paradise nestled in the city of pines, Camp Jan Hay gives you a taste of leisure and adventure. Outlined with numerous leisure spots, activity centers, shopping outlets and food joints, every corner is absolutely fun-filled. Cool breeze, mountain air, and earthy scent of pine trees. Or a prelude to an extraordinary stay in this jewel of a mountain resort. Nestled 5,000 feet above sea level, with average temperature of 19 degrees Celsius all year round. Thank you for watching. See you again next week.